hope Connor falls off.
That'd be so funny.
You gotta let Megan go with me. Angela go too.
You wanna go?
Of course.
You're going?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even think you can see it.
He's gonna make Connor fall off though.
Yeah! Hey!
Uh-oh.
I fell off enough!
Uh-oh.
That's what I said. Oh, don't burn it up, man. Don't burn his clutch up. Oh, I smell it too. You smell it?
Yeah.
He said, ruh-roh.
Mom, I fell off enough.
Did you fall off?
How many times did I fall off? I don't
Need
know.
some help?
Let me get a zoom in on that.
YouTube on that, baby.
Oh, they all going on YouTube.
Oh, that's pretty funny right there.
He show busted his ass.
Hey, look, make sure nobody was looking. We all was looking.
He said, let's try this again. Poor Connor sitting back there just sitting. I bet his butt is freezing.
I bet it is.
Just sitting in one spot.
I think he's burying. He wants to find another path.
Yeah, I'm afraid he's gonna burn his clutch up if he ain't careful.
Run his ass over.
They can't. Whoa!
So let's go this way.
Connor! You've already fallen off a few times. Oh, dang.
There we go.
Alright.
Now they're that old.
Uh-oh. Again? Oh, Connor, better hold on.
Next time he goes, yeah.
Yeah, he needs a mud for real. What kind you got, Megan?
Mine?
My battery's almost dead.
Mud in there.
Well,